This is an introduction to a series of tutorials about how to set up a CMS website from start to finish. It's a complete guide to installing and configuring a CMS website. The series will take you through the entire process of setting up an advanced Web 2 CMS website powered by the WordPress.org platform. Now, the WordPress.org platform should not be confused with WordPress.com. The WordPress.org platform is a CMS content management system like Drupal, like Joomla, and the myriad others that are used to set up your website on a server. And I will show you in these tutorials how to do this. What does a CMS-based website mean? Basically, it means that your website is using a platform, like an operating system, that offers you many options. The CMS itself is written in PHP and uses MySQL as a database. You do not need to know PHP or MySQL to set up your CMS-based website. I will show you everything. You don't need any prior knowledge. You can do everything without knowing one bit of code, neither HTML, CMS, or PHP. Of course, if you know these, it can only help you do other things, but you don't need them to go through this tutorial. How is a CMS-based website organized? Generally, your website is organized as follows. You have your computer, your hosting service and domain name, and your users. You upload your CMS and website content from your computer to your hosting service, and then your users can access your website by going to your domain name. I will show you all that is involved in this process from start to finish. These are the steps involved, and each step will take up one tutorial. 1. How to set up your hosting service. These are 5 tutorials that include 1. Buying a domain name, 2. Buying a hosting service, 3. Linking the domain name to the hosting service, then creating a database, and finally setting up an FTP account. All this I will show you how to do with GoDaddy, which is a very large hosting company, but you can do this with other hosting companies if you want. B. Install your CMS on the server. I will show you how to download and install FileZilla, which is the tool for uploading files to your server. Upload the CMS to your server and set up your CMS-based website. These steps will take you to the point that you have a working website based on a CMS. Now that your website is up, it's time to configure it. I will be using a demo installation to show you various ways to configure your site. A word to the wise, there is an endless number of ways. You can configure your website in so many ways. You can have a forum, you can have users, you can have all kinds of things on the website, galleries, newsletters. You can make your website look any way you want. There's an endless number of possibilities.